Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Today we're going to find out what's in a water heater. First thing we're going to do, take out this piece of brass, and below here is a piece of copper. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, you got a nice piece of brass. Just clean it up a little bit, take the steel off, and any springs inside, and you can sell this as pure brass. And you have here a nice piece of number 2 copper. Now we're just going to unscrew this cover. Since we're taking the cover off, why don't we just take off this piece of aluminum with some steel. Remember this from the last video I've made? It's copper. Might be a piece of brass there. Everything else is just steel. Just put it with your steel pot. Now that we got this off, this is just some cast aluminum. Inside there might be some springs, some other steel. As you can see here, you got a nice piece of brass. And if you look at that other video, I'll post it at the end. You can see what's inside these things. Piece of steel. Alright, so this is what's in the water heater. This piece here pretty much goes right there. The flame goes up to heat around it, and it looks like the fumes go in through this hole, which goes up through your chimney and escapes. So now, like I said before, there's a little piece of brass here. The rest is steel. You have a piece of aluminum, cast aluminum, with some piece of brass, and maybe some other stuff. I know there's a piece of plastic in here, a piece of rubber. You have another piece of brass. Again, you have to take it apart. A piece of number 2 copper. Another piece of steel. And another piece of steel. Now, I don't recommend you opening these to see what's inside it. This is what's inside it. Nothing. Leave it alone. Take those pieces out I just showed you and scrap this as is. This is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. I don't know what else is there to show you. So then, guys, peace!